Kyle Lowry to Bud City and Scary Terry to Miami Heat. Na-trade na si Scary Terry Rozier sa Miami Heat for Kyle Lowry and Heat's 2027 protected first round pick. A great acquisition para sa Miami Heat dahil sa pagkakakuha kay Terry Rozier from Charlotte Hornets. Si Rozier na nagtatala ng 23.2 points this season while shooting almost 43% field goal percentage at may 38.5 3-point percentage this season ay ang second highest scoring player ng Hornets behind LaMelo Ball. Magandang kuha ito para sa Miami Heat because of their poor offensive rating. Isa pa, matutulukan din dito ang Heat, particular na sina Hackers Jr. at Hero na may sasantabi ang pagiging playmaker dahil magkakaroon din sila with Terry Rozier. On the other hand, Kyle Lowry, despite being phenomenal last playoffs, is struggling this season, averaging only 8 points per game. His last 5 games with the Heat ay napakapangit ng nilaro nito with 0% in 3-point field goal percentage. Kung matatandaan, before mag-start ng season ay dapat kasama siya sa trade package alongside Tyler Hero para kay Damian Lillard. At before this Rozier trade happened ay parang may namumuong issue pa sa loob ng team na tila naging senyales na matatrade na ito before the deadline. Pero dahil rebuilding team ang Hornets at bumubuo ang team ng around LaMelo Ball and Brandon Miller, para sa akin ay pwedeng matrade to before the trade deadline this February 8. Ayun lang naman, ano masasabi nyo dito? Comment lang sa ibaba at mag-subscribe na rin sa channel for more basketball news. Yun lamang and peace out.